Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display different footer on different devices like desktop, tablet, mobile layout in Elementor free version in WordPress. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are not using Elementor Pro version. We are using Elementor free version and we created header and footer in Elementor free version. So you can create Elementor header and footer by using this plugin Jag Elementor Kit, or you can use this plugin Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor, formerly Elementor header and footer builder. So you can find both video links in video description. So you can create header and footer in Elementor free version by using this plugin. So you can use this plugin or you can use this plugin, and you will find both video link in video description because I already created and upload video in YouTube. Now go to website. So this is our footer. So we are going to display different footer on different devices. So this is our edit footer. We created Jag Elementor Kit. So we are going to create two more footers. So we are going to duplicate it. Right click on it, duplicate. So now we created three different footer. Now you see background color change 1, 2, 3. So we are going to do setting. Now you see first footer. So click on edit container. On left side you see layout style advanced. So click on advanced. And then in advanced you see responsive. So click on it. In responsive you see hide on desktop, on tablet, on mobile. So this footer we are going to display on desktop. So hide on tablet and mobile. Now you see second footer. So click on edit container again. Now go to advanced. And then you see responsive. So we are going to display this footer on tablet. So hide on desktop and hide on mobile portrait. Now go to third footer. So click on edit container. So click on it. Now go to advanced again. And then you see responsive. So click on it. So this footer we are going to display on mobile. Hide on desktop, hide on tablet, and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. So this is our desktop layout. So this is our desktop footer. Now resize Chrome window. Now you see footer is changed for mobile. Now increase. Now you see footer is changed for tablet portrait, tablet device. Again increase. Again you see footer is changed for desktop layout. So you can create Elementor header and footer by using plugin, and then you can do this setting. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.